Hey guys, Ethan here from Mitten Equipment. Here we have a 2018 John Deere 2025R. This tractor has factory powertrain warranty until 2025 and just under 350 hours at this point. As you can see, it's a tractor loader backhoe. This 260B backhoe is very nice. I really like the stabilizer locks. Because the stabilizers do tend to drift on all backhoes no matter what, but also inside of the valve or inside the hydraulic cylinders, they've cushioned the end points of the cylinders so they don't slam to the end of the travel. It's very smooth. You can, when you turn the RPMs up, you can run 3 or 4 functions all at once once you get experience with it. As you can see, the bucket does appear to be the most used part of the whole tractor. We have a toolbox here in the front. This is a nice little add-on that you don't get on the 1025R. But as you can see, this tractor is essentially a 1 Series John Deere with larger tires. That's really all there is to it. So if you're looking at a subcompact tractor, I would highly consider looking at something like this 2025R. This is just one step above. You're going to get a lot more ground clearance and a smoother ride with these larger tires because they have a larger sidewall. These are the VersaTurf or R14 style tire, the new hybrids that they've been selling in the past couple of years. These ones are loaded with rim guard, so that's already done and over with. Aside from that, there's nothing really special going on with the tractor. I do have the 3-point hitch linkages that would have come from with the tractor from the factory. That I don't believe they've ever been used, because if we look in here where this top link would go right here, those pinholes do not look like they've ever had a pin inside of them. So I'm guessing the tractor's had a backhoe on it its whole life. The pedals have a little bit of wear on them, but nothing too noticeable. As you can see, there's not really much for scratches in the hood. There's a few here and there if you really look at it, but overall a clean little machine. Has a your little nicker knob on here, but 2-range hydrostatic, just like a 1 Series tractor. Mid and rear PTO, although this one is not equipped with a mid-mount mower. So anyways guys, I just wanted to give a quick walkthrough on this tractor for anybody who's interested in it, or if you're just interested in these 2025Rs. They are kind of not as popular as the subcompact tractors, but I think you get a lot more value for your money moving up to the larger tire size. It's really going to make it a more capable machine. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.